I wanted to start at HP because it was an opportunity to work for a pioneering American icon with a legal department that's on the cutting edge, not afraid to take risks.
In the beginning, it was Bill and Dave. These two Stanford grads worked in the garage at Dave's apartment all summer to build what would become HP's first product, the HP 200A audio oscillator. A year later, Bill and Dave were ready to officially launch their company. They tossed a coin to see whose name should be first, and in 1939, the Hewlett-Packard Company was born.
Today, HP is a worldwide leader in technology. Our Office of the General Counsel works hand in hand with businesses to bring cutting-edge products and services to our customers worldwide. With 1,200 people in over 45 countries, our global legal team is redefining what a career in-house looks like. Since 2010, we've been recruiting and hiring new grads from top law schools across the country into our innovative new attorney program. We believe that this is the best place to start your career. But don't take our word for it. Here's what our new attorneys have to say about starting their careers at HP and why you should join us.
The first-year attorney program is a unique opportunity for students fresh out of law school to interact directly with clients, basically on the first day of work.
In my first year, I've been able to work on many different projects in a hands-on manner and with many different people across the company.
I've had a lot of opportunities to do substantive work.
The first day, they told me, we have a really important project that needs to be done in the next 2 days. Then it ended up being a part of a really big patent deal.
I've had the opportunity to see my cases from start to finish.
One of the best opportunities about working in-house at HP is the opportunity to work directly with business clients, which gives me a chance to directly affect the business and steer the direction of the company.